In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to substitute more than one text using the Regexreplace function in Google Sheets. Whether you're juggling data entry tasks or handling complex data sets, this tutorial will give you the skills you need to efficiently make multiple substitutions using a single formula. First, let's start by opening up a Google Sheet. You can either create a new sheet or use an existing one that you're intending to work with. Make sure your data is well organized to ensure clarity when you apply the formula. Once you have your spreadsheet open, navigate your way to cell E1. This will be our destination for inputting the formula that will handle the text substitutions across your dataset. Before proceeding, ensure that your relevant data, the text you want to modify, is located in column B. This will be crucial once we apply the formula. Now, it's time to really dive into the power of regular expressions within Google Sheets. Click on cell E1 and type in the formula. Here's array formula, Regexreplace, BB, data 1, data 2, data regex. Let's break this down a bit. The array formula function allows us to apply our Regexreplace operation across an entire column, ensuring we don't have to process each cell individually. Regular expressions are a powerful tool for search and replace functions, and the vertical bar within the quotation marks data 1, data 2 signifies that you're targeting any instance of either data 1 or data 2 within column B. When these texts are found, they'll be replaced with data XXX. After entering the formula, hit the Enter key. At this point, you should see the results of your substitutions populate column E, with each instance of data 1 or data 2 replaced by data XXX. This approach is highly efficient, allowing you to manage large data sets quickly and effectively. It offers a straightforward way to clean up data and ensure it's presented just how you need it. Remember, regular expressions and the Regexreplace function can be a significant upgrade to your data management process if used regularly. They offer versatility, allowing precision manipulation of text data in ways that would otherwise be cumbersome with a simple search and replace. Practice using different regular expression patterns, and soon you will unlock even more efficiencies in your daily spreadsheet tasks. Feel free to experiment with this by trying to replace different texts within your spreadsheet. With these steps under your belt, you're now equipped to handle multiple text substitutions with ease. Thank you for following along, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials on maximizing your productivity with Google Sheets.